voice. Country where they turn back time. You're strolling through the crowd like each lorry contemplating a crime. She comes out of the sun in a silk dress, running like a watercolor in the rain. Your father asking for explanation, she'll tell you she came in the year of the cat. She doesn't give you time for questions. She locks up your arm in hers. You follow till your sense of which direction completely disappears. By the blue child walls near the market stalls, there's a hidden door she leads you to. These days, she says, I feel my life is like a river running through the year of the cat. Looks at you so coolly. Her eyes shine like the moon in the sea. She comes in unsense and patchouli. You take her to find what's waiting inside the year of the cat. A morning comes, you're still with her. The bus and the tourists are gone. You've thrown away your choice and lost your ticket, so you have to stay on. Drumbeat streams of the night room band in the rhythm of the newborn day. You know, sometime you're bound to leave her, but now you're gonna stay in the year of the cat. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you once again. And the empty pockets.